Napansin mo ba? Mas mabilis na ngayon mag-scene kaysa mag-explain. Mas madaling mag-mute kaysa mag-confront. Mas simple mag-disappear kaysa magsabi ng totoo. At kung aamin tayo, minsan nagawa na rin natin, hindi dahil masama tayo, kundi dahil pagod tayo. Pagod sa drama, pagod sa tension, pagod sa paulit-ulit na paliwanag. Ignoring feels like control. Conversation feels like effort. Pero ang hindi pinag-uusapan, hindi nawawala. Nagiging resentment, nagiging assumption, nagiging emotional distance. Hindi ko sinabing kailangan mong sagutin lahat. Boundaries are healthy pero may difference ang boundary sa avoidance. Boundary says, this is not healthy for me. Avoidance says, ayoko lang harapin. One is strength, the other is fear, disguised as peace. Real communication requires humility. It requires saying, nasaktan ako, or nagkamali ako. Hindi ito pagiging mahina. Ito ay maturity. Relationships don't always end up with chaos. Minsan nauubos lang dahil tumigil ang usapan. Before you choose to ignore, pause. Tanungin ang sarili mo, pinoprotektahan ko ba ang katahimikan ko o iniiwasan ko lang ang discomfort? Remember, clarity is kindness. And in a world full of silence, choosing to communicate is quite strength.